Feeling stuck? A fractional CMO could be your game changer. Let's decode why your SME needs a fractional CMO right now. In today's fast-paced business world, having marketing leadership is crucial, but hiring a full-time CMO, costly. Enter the fractional CMO top-tier marketing expertise on a budget. A fractional CMO develops comprehensive strategies, mentors teams, manages budgets, and aligns marketing with your business goals. They bring fresh perspectives from diverse industries, ensuring your company stays relevant, resilient, and agile. Why choose a fractional CMO? Cost effectiveness. Get high-level expertise at 30 to 50% less than a full-time exec. Flexible and scalable. Adjust involvement as needed. And access to diverse experience-proven strategies from various sectors. Signs you need one? Erratic marketing efforts, struggling teams, declining ROI, inconsistent branding, plateaued growth, and an outdated tech stack. Sound familiar? A fractional CMO is not just a quick fix. They build sustainable marketing frameworks, mentor your team, and establish key metrics. Ready to transform your SME? It's time to consider a fractional CMO. Don't wait. Make the smart move today.